Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen companion that promises to revolutionize your meal prep. If you're looking for the best kitchen upgrade in 2025, this 9-in-1 multi-cooker truly delivers unmatched versatility for every meal. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and more, all from one sleek appliance. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is practically on autopilot, taking the guesswork out of even complex recipes. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is how it simplifies your life, turning kitchen chaos into culinary calm with just a touch. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthy cooking and super easy cleanup, a game changer for busy families. For anyone serious about efficient cooking, this is definitely a smart purchase. Check out the Amazon link below to learn more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the Instant Pot Duo Plus will quickly become your most trusted kitchen appliance. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking experience. It's an incredible value for everything it offers. Seriously, if you're ready to make delicious meals effortlessly, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have kitchen essential for 2025.